Are you running an online school community or thinking about launching one and wondering how AI can make it 10 times easier and more profitable? In the next few minutes, I'll show you the strategies I use to grow, manage, and monetize an engaged group so you can spend less time worrying about tech and more time doing what you love. Hi, I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs craving higher, more consistent months with repeatable systems. I've helped countless course creators, coaches, and community leaders use AI to streamline their groups and boost their income without burning out or getting lost in complicated tech. Here's what we're diving into today. First, I'll talk about community growth strategies and how to avoid key pitfalls. Then we'll look at specific ways AI can save you hours each week inside your group. Next, I'll give you proven content ideas that attract new members and keep everyone engaged. And finally, I'll share a bonus tip for batching your social content with AI, so posting feels effortless. Let's start with the big decision. Should you have separate free and paid groups or keep everything in one place? Here's the key problem. Splitting up your audience might sound organized, but it can create confusion for your paid students and for you. Managing multiple groups means more posts, more email reminders, more admin, and frankly, a lot more overwhelm. I ran 2 separate groups and my paid clients always mixed up where to go. So my recommendation, one group, multiple tiers. You let your biggest fans upgrade and everyone sees what's possible with your paid offer. And if someone only wants your free content, no worries, they can join or leave as they please. Now let's talk about making your group run smoothly, especially if you're a solo operator on a tight budget. This is where AI becomes your secret weapon. First, use AI to brainstorm fresh, engaging topics. Got a case of what do I post next? Just plug the theme of your community into ChatGPT and ask for daily post ideas, FAQs, or even fun idioms to share. Second, keep track of popular questions in a simple doc or spreadsheet. Collect these as they come up and pop them into AI for fast, personalized answers or to build out your FAQ. This not only speeds up replies, but gives you ready-to-go content for future posts and emails. Speaking of content, here's a quick-fire list of posts that always perform. Word of the day or idiom of the week. Share meaning, pronunciation, and a story. Here's what I was asked most today. Answer common questions on video. Language hacks. For example, show English words that secretly teach Greek roots like democracy or autocracy, and invite your members to guess the meaning. Food finds or language tips from your own daily life to spark connection. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next strategy. Plus, it really helps more creators find this info. Want an insider shortcut? Batch your best content with AI. Here's how. Have AI generate a month's worth of sticky note questions, idioms, or how-to micro lessons. Snap a handful of quick photos in unique spots like at the cafe, garden, or even on a plane. Schedule them across socials and your community platform. Now you've built weeks of engagement in a single afternoon. Want to take these results even further? Click the link in the description to grab my free Moneymaker GPT, the exact tool I use to brainstorm, plan, and optimize my community with AI. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.